As UAVs become increasingly complex, the need for sophisticated and reliable I/O becomes even greater. This is why companies like Piaggio Aerospace have turned to United Electronic Industries. Their advanced P-1 Hammerhead unmanned surveillance platform is designed for long endurance and high-speed operations. Onboard control systems and I/O need to operate reliably, in extreme conditions, for extended periods of time. The heart of the Hammerhead avionics system includes 3 UEI Cubes, monitoring and controlling critical operations. UEI's I/O modules provide an amazing amount of functionality in a compact, rugged chassis. With over 85 I/O boards covering everything from analog I/O to avionics, customers have a wide variety of solutions available. Plus, the I/O modules can be deployed in several configurations, including a standalone embedded mode, which makes it perfect for unmanned aerial vehicles. Rugged, reliable, and flexible. This is why Piaggio Aerospace chose UEI for the P-1 Hammerhead UAV. Want to learn more? Talk with our application engineers about what UEI can do for you and your system.